please hit the subscribe button, and for more videos and updates, hit the bell icon.
Hi, I'm Kavya. I'm 9 years old. Today in this video, we are going to make a cute kawaii origami mushroom. But in the whole video, I'm just going to call it mushroom. And he is the cutest, right? Treat slow. So first, I'm going to show you all the supplies you're going to need to make this cute origami mushroom. So let's get started. First, you're going to need some paper, the most important thing to make the mushroom. And then you'll need some markers. I'm going to use art markers. First, take your paper, fold it in half. We will need to fold this edge till the middle line, and then just repeat the same thing right over here. So next you're going to need to fold both the flaps till the middle line. Now fold it in half. So the colored side should be facing you. Now open. So you should align this flap with this flap. How to do that? Just fold it over here and crease it out like that. Then just do the same thing right over here. So now the next step is a little bit of tricky, but I'm sure you'll be able to do it. So open this, turn, go here and fold it back till the center line. Center line. Now we'll do the same thing right over here. So as you can see, you can just make it out proper from this side. All that matters is it should look pretty from this side. So now do the same thing over here. Turn. I'm just going to fold it right till the center. And now turn. This side it should just look. So now as I said, it should just look pretty from this side. Now turn it again. Now this step depends on you. You can, like, if you fold it this much big, it will be this much on the front side, and just fold it. So I folded it here. So you can even do it a little bit bigger than this one. No, till this line looks nice. You can even fold it a bit below and a bit up. It depends on you. Okay. So now turn and just round off the edges. 1 and 2. Now take this flap and fold it till the top and do the same thing here. We're going to take this flap and fold it. Turn. Now you have an origami mushroom, but we want to make it cute. Now you need a marker. Now time to make the eyes. 1 and 2. Oh, this eye came a little bit bigger. Oh, I forgot to make the mouth. And then I'm just going to use my pink to make the cheeks. So, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye. And the mushroom is the best. You can even make it in 1 color or 2 colors. Bye.